wanted to leave. No matter how many breaths that you took, you still couldn't leave. No matter how many nights that you lie wide awake to the sound of the pouring rain. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? As days go by, hands on fire. Tell me what you killed to save your life. Tell me what you killed through your eyes. Crash, crash, burn. Great singers, you know. No matter how many years that I die, I'll never forget. No matter how many lives that I live, I'll never regret. Now there's a fire inside the sun you're right about to explode in flames. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where is you? For myself, do you want? Do you really want me? Yes! Want me dead? Our life to live alive. Tell me what you killed to save your life. Tell me what you killed to prove your eyes. Crash, burn, let it over. It's hurricane chasing us all on the ground. Whoa, it's hurricane, oh, it's hurricane. What else should I play? Do you have a request? I'll play whatever song you want me to. Run away! Run away! All the time. Run away! Run away! Oh, chase yourself! Run away! Run away! All the time. All the time. What else do you want to hear? Huh? Yeah! Somebody said up in the air. Woo! Somebody said close to the edge. Somebody said fuck the police. What do you want to hear? Somebody said the kill. Alright, if I play this, you gonna sing it loud for me? Yeah! Yeah? Yeah! I'll be watching you. All right, take a deep breath, clear your throat. I want to make sure that everybody all over the world can hear us and they wish that they were in Slovakia tonight. What if I wanted to break, laughing all off in your face? What would you do? What if I fell to the floor? Couldn't take this anymore. What would you do? Come break me down, bury me, I am finished waiting. What if I wanted to fight? Beg for the rest of my life. What would you do? Get your hands up in the air. You say you want it more. What are you waiting for? I'm not running from you. Sing it as loud as you can. Lights up, Zach. Let's go. Tried to be someone else, but nothing seemed to change. I know now this is who I really am inside. Finally found myself. Bury me, bury me.